સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Good day, everybody. Welcome to this session. Myself, Dr. Jayesh Patel, from the MCA department, Ganpati University, Khairwa. Today, I will discuss on the introduction to programming skill. This topic basically more useful for the beginners in this software segments. I will deal in this session logic development through this algorithms and this in a flow chart. I will start why we need the language. This is the fundamental thing. For that, why we need this in a language, for this in a basically in the communication we need this language. Over that, any of the one people another people is communicate through this in a language, there should be in a use that is a communication channel can be used. Over that is a one of the tool for to use to this in a language. Over that, the basically language is used to exchange of ideas and the thoughts. This is the in the language it should be normally we use the natural language is a Gujarati, English, Spanish, Talims. These are the different natural language is basically used for to communicate from this in a one people to this another people group of one people to the group of the people. That should be basically used for that. Any of the people that should be we must be required that in this in a communication through this in a specific language. Over that, similarly, if we want to communicate within a computer, we need in a language. Over that, previous slide we discuss for that if this in a communication between this in a people for this exchange this idea from these people is used this in a language, natural language. Over that, here the same way. Over that is a communication within a computer, we need this in a computer, we need for this in a computer. Over that, for this in a language. Over that, for an example, C, C++, COBOL, Fortran, programming language 1, etc. is a use is this in a different type of this in a language can be used for to interactions with in this in a computer. For that, there should be some mechanism to instruct in this in a computers. Over that, here the basically can be used to mechanism to be in a instruct this in a computer through this in a specific language. For an example, C, C++, COBOL. Over that, and this can be done by writing a programs. Over that means in a particular language we use. Over that, but we can write down in a something is in a program. For that, in this in a program that should be in a interpret, it should be in a instruct to this in a computer and computer to perform something in a specific task. For that, we learned that what is the language. Here we going in the something depth. For that, in this in a program is a basically is a set of logical related instruction that is arranged in this in a sequence and guides to this in a computer to solving the problems. Over that, we know that in this in a previous slides. Over that, if we try to solve this in a problem, we use in a specific language. Over that, but we write down something the language in a specific in a group of the instruction, and those are the instructions should be in a write down in a logical manner, and it should be arranged in a sequentially and guide to this in a computer to solve this in our specific problem. For that means here what happened for that, what is our problem, based on that we use for that into solution of the problem through this in a programming, and in the programming it should be constructed by in this in a language. Over that, the process of writing a program is called this in a programming. Over that, here we say that if this you can write in this in a program in a specific protocols can be used for in this basically in this programming language over that, and it is a writing process. It is known as a programming for that. A software is a nothing but the collections of the program. Okay, what's thing over that? Language it should be nothing but the to interpret to instruct the computer to solve these problems over that. Program is a nothing but the collections and the group of this instruction. It should be executed by steps and to solve our problems for that. And to writing this process for that, it is known as the programming over that, and it is a collections of the program. It is known as a software for that. The broad category of this computer software is a system software and the application software over that. There are the two broad category for this computer software for that. First should be first category is a system software for that. The system software category basically used for that, it should be means system related program. Those are to instruct to this computer and to manage this resources of the computer through this system software for that. Here the broadly categorized for that: language translator, operating system, utility, and the special programs over that. The first category is the language translator over that. Language translator is basically can be translate the program writing by this any programmer, it to be converted into this understanding by this computer. Means it is say that is in a machine language, and it is a functionality done by this language translator for that. Second category is operating system. These are the most important category in the system software. That in the operating system, simply we say that it is a nothing but the interaction between this computers, machines, and this user. Means the operating system provides this bridge between this particularly hardware of your computer and the user. In between the particularly bridge can be provided by this operating system. The operating system is a mechanism for that. Basically the mechanism for that to optimize and effectively use of the different resources of the computers over that. Resources is a means for that multiple programming can be running in this simultaneously using in this multi programming facilities can be used over that. Also to be maximum utilizations of this input process and the output for that. Means it is to be memory management is a very effective way over that. Also that should be input for that. In a input means here to be input we can getting over that. There is a different channel we can getting this input for that, and to be getting this output, it should be a process for that, and to be getting some things output for that. Here to be in this way, that should be an operating system should be managing each and everything in a proper way over that. Through this operating system, without operating system, computer system is never working for that. Okay. Third category is the utility. There is a different type of the utilities can be used over that. Utility something like the sorting of this your something your data over that. Something should be in a dictionary for this your data over that. These are the dictionaries over that. The second categories of your computer system is the application software over that. Application software means particularly users can be writing the program in your specific language and to solve the particular specific task over that. Okay, means here to be writing the use in the specific language over that and to solve these problems over that. Here to be develop the different type of the application softwares over that. For an example, database management system develop software for that, payroll systems for that, statistics and the operational related software developed over that. Means here to be what is should be required for this user to develop this this type of this software. It is not the application software for that, and these are this broad categories of this software for that. Programming language over that. The programming language means we discussed in previously the language, and this computer language that broadly categorized in the higher level language, assembly language, and the lower level language. In this bottom up in the earlier the lower level language is brought up for that the basically it is should be in a consent with that in the machine level language. It is only interrupt only the machine level language, something like the 0 and 1 in the only to understanding those language over that. Assembly level language, it is also say that is a medium level language over that, means it is a medium level language for that. Here to be in a something in a specific symbols can be used for that. In this in a symbols that should be in a particularly used for that. In this in a characters, numbers, that should be in a operator, and the operands can be used for that. And in this in a operator and the operand to prepare this in a instructions, and the instructions should be in a predefined instruction formats can be used over that, and to be in a interpret for that. And this is a higher level language over that. Nowadays in this in a computer industries, the basically can be used in this in a higher level language over that. Why this in a importance in this in a industry is a higher level language, means I say that advantages of this in a higher level language over that. It is the say that it is a readables over that, means we simply say that sometime that should be in English formats can be used for that. Easily people understanding for that this in a higher level language over that, and to interpret for that. Portability means you have write in this in a program in a one machines over that. In this in a other than should be in a higher level language, it must be required something in a specific predefined environment for that. Then and then this particular program language is executed over that. But here is a higher level language. What happened for that? You have developed your program in this in a higher level language. You can easily move this in a one machine to the another machines for that. It is a easily we can executed in the particularly specifically we can use for that. In this in a portability can be available over that. Easily debugs over that, means in this in a computer language debugging is also the important things for that. Means it is should be executed in this in a step by steps, that should be in a sometimes can be used in a compiler and the interpreter for that. And to be in a easy to debugging is also provided to facilities in this in higher level language, means easily you can trace for that, and to be in a detecting this in a errors, and to be in a easily to error free code you can generate over that. Easy in this in a development of the software over that. Here this in a three things in a upper one you can easily find out for that. You have easily to develop this in a software to be in happening in this in a particularly. These are the different advantage can be used for that in this in a computer language for that. Okay, these are the different advantages can be used in this in a higher level language for that. The most important things in a previously I said that easy debugs over that. The basically the particularly that should be in a here to be in a to the compilation and the executions on the higher level programming. The basically there are the two categories of this in a compilation and the executions over that. First is a lexical rules can be used over that, and second segments to be in a used for to generate your executable codes over that. Here the three things can be used for that in this in a lexical rules, syntax rule, and the semantics rules can be available in this in a first phase over that. And another remaining part over that, it is known as executable code can be prepared in this in a remaining code for that. In this in a first phase is a lexical codes over that. Any of your language, it must be required something in the protocols can be used over that. In the same scenario over here, in the higher level language, we have write in this in a specifically into be in a particular syntax way we can write down over that, and it is known as lexical rules can be also emphasized in this in a programming language over that. And to be in a we can also generate in this in a symbol table and the other tables for that. And this in a we say that here to be in a source programs, it should be in a going in a lexical analysis for that. Okay, in this in a lexical analysis to be in a generate the two tables, symbol table and the other tables over that. Then second segment is a semantics analysis for that. Through this in a symbol table we can use for in this in a syntax rules can be also applying over here. Semantic rules means here to be in a that should be in a two things is a lexical analysis and the syntactic analysis, then should be in a use in a semantic analysis. Both three things should be in a executed in a proper ways, then the intermediate code can be in a generate over that, and this in a through this in a intermediate code that should be in a generate in this in a object code, and this in a object code should be in a prepared well. Then is a linker and the loader. These are the important parts in this in a language over that. In the linker and the loader that should be available in this in a group of this in a libraries, and those libraries can be used for that to be executed in this in a some predefined functions can be available over that, and to be in a then should be in a generated for this in a executable code over that. Means we say that a very last over that in this in a figure, through this in a object code and this in a linker and the loader we generate in this in a object code over that, and this in a object code it should be prepared for that to be in a executed in this in a machine language for that. Structured on the programming concept for that means up to till we learn that programming language here higher level language over that, but the program is also it should be in a write down in a structured manners over that. Either we can write in this in a proper structuring manner, then it should be in a not a happening this in a issues in this in a later on over that. Okay, the better organizations of a program and better programming notation to facilitate to correct and the clear description of data and control the structures over that. Here to be in a say that it should be in a better organizations of your programming language. It is very easy way we have do that through this in a correct and this in a clear descriptions of a data for that. Okay, second thing for that, easy of the modification and the suitable documentations also required. If you have write this